we also want to hide that layer if somebody mouses away from our original button. So, with our breaking news button still selected, our original image, we'll click back on the Behaviors button, add the Show Hide Layers behavior once again, and this time we'll choose the layer called Rollover, but we'll choose to hide it. And we're going to hide it, remember, if we click OK, not when somebody mouses down on it, but if we change the mouse event to On Mouse Out, when somebody mouses out or away from it. So if we want to see our rollover in action, all we need to do is go up to the top of our toolbar, select the globe icon, and preview right in a browser. Now when we roll our mouse over the breaking news button, you'll notice we get our disjointed rollover, and when we mouse away, it is now hidden from sight. And this is how you can easily create a disjointed rollover in Dreamweaver. Just remember, you can only use layers and imagery with the Show Hide Layer behavior. And of course, Dreamweaver will add the JavaScript for you.